Here's how to fix verification code not received. Now go into settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap on apps, and scroll down until you get to messages. Tap on that. First thing we'll do is toggle off iMessage, wait a bit, and turn it back on. This will reactivate iMessage. But next we'll scroll down and you can see send as text message. Make sure you turn that off for a second and then turn that back on to re-enable it. The next thing we'll do is scroll down and make sure filter unknown senders is turned off. Essentially, this will filter all of those unknown senders to send those text codes to a different place and you might not see them. The next thing we'll do is scroll up a little bit and go to block contacts, and you're looking for a specific number that they might have texted from. For instance, you can see if I open up Google and say, what number does Instagram text from? You can see apparently I had blocked it as well. The number that they use is 32665. So essentially check this to make sure you haven't blocked that number. Next, we'll go back to the very beginning. So let's go all the way back. We'll tap on cellular and you can see your eSIM. We'll just turn this off, or if you have a physical SIM card, just pop it out and put it back in and turn this back on. After that's done reactivating, the last thing you can do is swipe down from the top right. And from here, you're going to tap on the focus mode if you have do not disturb or anything turned on. Just tap on it to turn off do not disturb, and then you should be able to get all of those text message codes and you're all set.